welcome back. This is Bhavani Muthusamy, ALP astrologer. Today I'm going to discuss about an interesting and most awaiting topic regarding education. Now, many of the students have completed their board exams and waiting for joining colleges and universities. So, how far it is being connected with astrology? Education part is much connected with astrology like all other things. According to their ALP Lagna and their second house planet, whichever the second house lord is and where it is placed, that determines which form of education is better suited for them. Currently, everybody are waiting for their results, and most importantly, many of them are wanted to join certain courses because of the influence of the whole world and their family, their friends. Everybody's influence are there in selecting a course in education part. Why it is very important? Because the education we are studying is a pillar to our whole life, right? According to the education only we are being getting into our profession. Many of them are studying a different education and going to a different profession. All these are because they don't know what their life is going to be and what is going to happen in their future. So all these are the reason behind it. What I'm going to suggest to you is, so whichever lagna you are going through, ALP lagna, that is the current lagna, according to your age. So according to that lagna and what is the nakshatra point you are going through, all these have a great influence in the education part. In particular, from the ALP lagna, your second house lord plays a very major role in selecting education part. So there are many educations nowadays. We have thousands of education variations nowadays. Even in medicines, we have hundreds of majors, and in engineering, we have hundreds and hundreds of divisions in it. So many things we have come across, and because of this variety only, we are getting too much of confused, right? Only if we keep some only two options and ask us to pick it, it is very easy to pick one of it, right? Rather than keeping 10 to 15 options and asking them to pick one of them, that is very much difficult because everything looks attractive, everything looks like it has a scope in it. Yeah, definitely every education part has a scope in it, but it doesn't suit to everybody. That is the thing we are just opening up, because according to your own horoscope, some of the education qualifications will suit you, some of them will not suit you. Since many of the students are joining one education level, one course, and within 1 year or 2 year, they are dropping that. After spending so much of lakhs in education, they are simply letting it, they are just dropping it and coming and saying that no, I don't like this course and I wanted to do something else. All these are because of the influences we are having in and around us. So much of influence from friends, family, and wherever the education institutions are. In school levels nowadays, they have started neat coachings and all given from even from 7th standard, they are starting these coachings. So when everybody are joining NEET coaching, even the students who doesn't have their interest in it, or who doesn't have that sort of planetary position in their horoscope, because of seeing that everybody are getting into that coaching, they also just joining the coaching, spending so much of money, and after writing the exams, they analyze that it is not my part. It is not up to me to go to there. It is not my interest to get to study medicine. So after 4 5 years of investing money and time, they are realizing in the late period of their life. So that is why we insist to see horoscope at the early stages, like when the kid is completing their 10th grade. You can just go and take an ALP astrologer suggestion, so that they can give you the guidance of which form of education is going to support them in their future, because every part is going to be analyzed in the horoscope. What is their lagna, current lagna, how long it is going to be there, what is their next ALP lagna, how it is going to suit their profession in it. So it is better to learn ALP astrology, since it is the basic level is just 1 month duration. So you can just learn and take your own decision according to your children's horoscope. Many of them are preparing for competitive exams and all the preliminary exams to get into some colleges. So many entrances are now there, right? B schools are there. Many colleges offer entrance exams. They are writing it, going for all the colleges, selecting, giving applications for many degrees. They are not choosing one out of it. They are just applying for 10 and 15 colleges with different categories of education. All these are because of that they don't have a clear idea what I'm going to do and what is going to be my future. ALP astrology, we are just guiding it in the level of planetary positions and which is going to help them in future. For example, if Mercury is connected to their second house lord is Mercury, and if it is placed in 6 and 8, so then they have an option of going into medicine related fields. If it is not in that position, why do you choose medicine and it is not their part of it to go to medicine? Usually we used to see that Mercury is mostly it is max related, it is communication related, it is technology. Yeah, it is there. Mercury is related to max technology, advanced technologies, AIs, and all that. But still, where the planet is positioned, that has a major impact in it. If the same planet is placed in 6 or 8, it is related to medicine. They can go for nervous related specialization. And if the Mercury is again placed in fourth house, they can go for construction related or something that involves gaming. Even chess champions and all have this 2 and 4 connection. It is not that one planet is completely related to one particular degree. It is not that case. According to their position of the planet, there is a lot of varieties, lot of variations in choosing the education. Likewise, many of them are considering that only they can choose engineering if Saturn and Mars is involved. Yeah, it is involved, but if your second house lord, whoever it is placed in fourth house, you can go for civil engineering. If it is placed in 12th house, you can go for aeronautical engineering. If it is going for it is placed in 6 or 8, if you, even if it is in 6 or 8, it is not necessary you have to only do medicine. You can choose some parts like if it is connected to 6 pharmaceuticals, BTech, all these are important, right? Medicine related companies, production companies are there nowadays. According to your planetary, who is the lord of your second house and where it is placed has a major impact in selecting which part of education is going to suit you. So plan accordingly. Try to analyze individual charts, because it is not common that if your second house lord is this, only this is your apt course to do. According to the planetary positions, everything changes. And your ALP Lagna and ALP Nakshatra point is also a very important factor. Nowadays, education is going to be the future, right? So just joining in one course and dropping it after spending lakhs of rupees is not a wise one. So think before joining anything. You can write entrance exams, you can just apply for that, but know which one is going to be your future. Okay, it is not that after studying medicine, many of them have changed their course of study in their post graduation. All this is because their interest changed, their planetary positions change. So just analyze it, take wise decisions. Two important thing in education is what you are going to study and where you are going to study. So what you are going to study is very important. Likewise, where you are going to study is another more important thing. You just have to see your horoscope, whether will I get a good college or will I get some colleges that of low facilities. Many of them have just wanted to do some sort of professional courses. They are joining a new colleges which is being opened a few years ago or a current year. They are thinking that compared to the established colleges, it is lower, fees is lower than them. So I can join this. Anyhow, they are going to teach the same degree. It is not like that. Established colleges have a very great experience, and many of the colleges they lack accreditation too. And after completing the degree, also they feel this degree is not valued because of the college you studied. So these are very important. What to study, where to study, choose wisely, and plan your future. Thank you.